welcome back to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. Today we will go to Siam Park, which is Europe's largest water park and third largest in the world. Yes, you heard me. It's a huge water park here in Tenerife, Costa Adeje, and we are really excited to explore that water park. So without wasting any time, let's see what Siam Park has to offer to us. Are you ready to go to a water park?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Dada?
Yes.
Largest water park in Europe, and Asher's gonna experience it. Are you excited? We have just arrived and look at this incredible entrance. Siam Park is known for its Thai-inspired theme, and even at the entrance, it feels like you're stepping into another world. First things first, let's quickly sort the tickets. We booked it online and I will suggest you the same as it saves time and sometimes even money. And look at this entrance itself. It's like stepping into a tropical paradise. We are here in December and it's pretty hot. Just at the entrance of Siam Park, you will find these sea lions doing their thing, and it's actually fun to watch them.
Ooh, look what this is.
Wow!
Wow. Exercise. Let's go.
Now, as soon as you enter, the first job for you is to find lockers and keep your stuff and change into your swimwear.
Asher, ready for the ride?
We started our day in Siam Park with this lazy river. It is Mai Thai River in Siam Park and very easy to find. Very comfortable, relaxing ride which takes you through the park and shows you amazing views. If you are coming to Siam Park, I have a tip. Siam Park is big and it's not easy to navigate from one ride to another. So come prepared, get your slippers or get your water shoes. This is the Tower of Power. It's a near vertical drop that shoots you through a shark-filled aquarium at the bottom. Talk about adrenaline, right?
Yeah?
I'm too scared.
No? Asher, you want to do this one? Why?
Too scared.
You're scared to do this one? You don't like it? Okay.
There are some slides which are exclusive for the kids, and we came in this area for Asher. Hi, Asher! Asher was quite scared to do these slides, to be honest. Come on, Asher! Woo! Come on! If you are here with kids too, don't worry. Siam Park has plenty for them too. The Lost City, the one you're seeing right now, is like a mini water park within the park, and it's super safe and fun for little ones. Siam Park has also got you covered in terms of shopping. There is a mini market, there are many restaurants, there are ice cream shops, coffee shops, etc. But obviously, they are slightly overpriced compared to the price you will find outside in Tenerife. Now Himanshu has gone to enjoy this slide which I am capturing right now, and this one is a very amazing fun ride. Not very difficult, but obviously a lot of twists and turns. Also, there is one slide we would like to recommend you if you are coming to Siam Park. It is the Singa ride. Look here. We are waiting for Dada. We can't do slides together, so one of us is relaxing here and the other person goes to the slide, and right now Himanshu is gone to the slide and we both are waiting here. Yay!
Good.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah?
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it's very good, but lots and lots of water coming on you.
Is it tough?
No, ride is very easy, but lots of tunnels and lots of water.
As the day winds down, there is no better way to end the adventure than relaxing by the wave pool with this incredible sunset view. Siam Park has been nothing short of amazing, thrilling rides, relaxing spots, and memories we will cherish forever. However, there is one tip I would like to share with my viewers. Number one is come early, as there can be huge queues even in December. Second, you have to plan your rides as there is a lot to choose from.
So much fun in Siam Park. It's very, very big.
What?
Fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
What did you do?
If you ever visit Tenerife, Siam Park is a must visit. But one thing to remember, it's not like other water parks where you can choose the slides by looking at it, because every slide is very far from other slides, so you have to plan. After spending an amazing day at Siam Park, now we are heading to Siam Mall, and you know there is a Siam Park bus also to do the transportation, but this time we chose the cab. You can always check the timings of this bus. Siam Mall is a huge mall just opposite the Siam Park. I think it was 5 minutes walk from there. And if you come out hungry from Siam Park, then you can always come here for an amazing lunch or dinner. Asher, open the menu and read it. And if you feel like shopping, they have all the brands you can think of.